Hey guys, it's December 15th, 2008. The blizzard has moved through. I'm out plowing snow right now in my blazer. Just wanted to take some videos of the snow, show everybody the aftermath of the blizzard. This is back by my pole barn. I'm going to move up by the yard here. There's some of the snow I got pushed up from where I park my vehicles here in the yard. I got the van chiseled out from the snowdrift it was in. I'll pull up by the snow here so you can get a better idea just how high I had to push this up. As you can see, it's probably 2 feet above the hood of the truck. I got the driveway all cleaned out here. Here's where I park the other plow truck when I'm not using it, so gives you an idea of just how much we have to plow every time it snows. In case anybody's curious, it's a 93 S10 Blazer I use for plowing, and I have a Blizzard Hydroturn snow plow. Here's the controller for it. It's a handheld wired controller, and you just push the buttons for down, up, and then your tilts from side to side. Works really great. So I think the 4th winter I've used this one. Does a beautiful job of clearing the yard and stuff. Looks just like a parking lot when you're done. I know some of you southern guys have probably never seen a snow plow before, so thought I'd take a little video of it and show you. Okay, well, thank you for watching and have a Merry Christmas. Okay, heading back into the house here. Done plowing. I just wanted to get a picture from the outside here of the plow. I hope this doesn't fog up. The wind chill's probably 30, 35 below right now, so it's pretty cold. As you can see, the truck takes kind of a beating in the snow, but that's the blade on it, the hydraulics and stuff for it, but it works really good. Okay, I'm going to run in for a freeze.